Pandemic. We all know that it brings a lot of changes in our lives. Many lives were lost, and many are still struggling. Our economy is much affected. Many people lost their job. Poverty rate increased, and many more. Especially our educational system, it suffers so much. We experience different challenges like poor internet connection, lack of gadgets, hardship to handle students from different life situations. But then, our leaders, our DepEd Secretary did not stop on finding solutions to problems. According to her, education must continue. Teachers like me were almost giving up. But then, we don't, and we should not. The school year is about to end. All those challenges that we have encountered are only challenge.